Just going to give an overview of our model WPE501G for grossware. Here we have this panel set up on a rebuilt grossway filler. So on the panel here, power on and off. This is stop filling. If the operator presses this at any time, it'll stop the cycle. Clamp, drop, and hold. We see the hold up there on the display. So in the drop position, as soon as it finishes weighing, it'll drop off the clamp. In the hold position, it will hold on the clamp, and then the operator can come up and drop it off when they're ready. Option for slow fill only for very small bags. Indicator lights, clamp switch. These are just mainly for troubleshooting. Clamp switch, bag clamp output, fast fill output, slow fill output. This filler has a two-position double gravity, double air cylinder on there. Now up on the panel here, F1 is our settings, so we can get in there, target weight, cutoff weight, fast feed weight, and if it's selected, we have the option here where it'll automatically adjust the cutoff weight to maintain the desired weight. F2, we can select the desired formula or recipe. So Formula 1, then we go back to the main screen, we see Formula 1. This one is set up for 4.06 kilos. F3 is our bag counter. It's sitting at 0 right now. If we had run any bags, we would see the number here. And then we can go in and clear the bag count at any time to go back to 0. F4 is used for selecting between pounds and kilos. And we just got some labels here just to remind the operator of the functions. 0, so on this filler here, often we'll slide the empty bag here on the clamp and then push 0 to 0 it out. Clear key, enter key. Now this unit has 20 recipes, so we can set up for 20 different bag sizes and then call them up as required with our various set points. Very high speed and very accurate, and as we mentioned, it has the auto weight adjustment, so it'll self-adjust to fine-tune the weights. Very easy and simple to use.